Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add work orders. There are multiple ways to create a work order. The first is to navigate to the Work Orders tab and click the plus Work Order button to generate a blank order. Alternatively, you can create one directly from the Tasks tab. Check the box next to the task you want to process and choose whether to add it to an existing work order or create a new one. Let's create a new one. This immediately opens the work order details. At the top, you will see the work order name. Wingops automatically generates these in numerical order, but you can easily rename the order by simply clicking on the title. Let's look at the first tab, Details. Here, you can input essential information, such as the client name and station. Key fields like aircraft registration, model, and serial number are automatically filled based on your aircraft profile. If this data is listed under the AC, it will also appear on the automatic work order that is linked to the AC. Similarly, aircraft parameters are auto-filled. You can update the current numbers by clicking on them, or customize which parameters are displayed by clicking Edit Parameters. Clicking the Date Time button instantly logs your current time. The maintenance data reference and certification statements are also pulled directly from your aircraft details, but they can be edited with a single click. From the toolbar, you can build out the rest of your work order by navigating through the other tabs. For instance, click on the Additional Work tab to add any additional work to your work order. When you hover over the plus Additional Work button, we see we can add a new additional work. Select Observation, an AD/SB, or a defect. Let's add an AD. From the Components tab, we can view all required components and the used components history. The Materials tab lets us add required materials, either by creating new ones or selecting from a list of items previously used in this order. From the Tools tab, we can add all the necessary tools for the job. The order list tracks the items you have ordered. Work time lets you log the hours spent on the job. Note that you can also track time on top of the page. To the Files Notes tab, you can easily upload all the related documents and keep track of them. In the Activity tab, you can see all the changes by activity and date that has been done to the work order. Everything displayed in your work order translates directly to your final printed document. To see this, let's export the work order to a PDF. From this menu, you can customize exactly what information is displayed on the printout. Click Create, and your finalized work order is ready. Thank you for watching.